There's a lot of rocks out here.
I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night that I felt defeated to your eyes. The black boats, the battles being now, we race the tide to forget the feeling for a little while. And I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night that I felt defeated to your eyes. Black boats, the battles being now, we race the tide to forget the feeling for a little while.
Oh, sweet. I got lava.
Did you catch him?
I can.
Jasmine found a horny toad. Oh, you're petting it.
Yeah.
He's not running off?
No, I'm
He must be
blocking
your
him.
spirit animal.
She's petting a horny toad.
Yeah, normally they just take off. He must like you.
I hope so.
Jasmine is kind of sweet.
You're the horny toad whisperer.
The horny toad whisperer.
Don't
She
wanna-
feels special. Oh, look. She picked it up.
Don't jump, dude.
Oh, cool. Let's see. Welcome to Dugway Geode Beds.
Wait, no, I bra.
There's one. Not very good, but look.
Got that one too. We can put the pieces
That
together.
one, I don't think so.
Actually, no, this is a red
But this one, definitely. Oh, it goes through.
Cool.
Been waiting to show you, Father.
Ooh. That one's got a pocket.
Yeah.
So,
Might be something
yeah,
inside,
there's a little cluster crystals right there.
Oh, yep.
And they go through. So, I don't know, maybe we power wash it or something. But yeah.
From this side. Push it that way. Nope, it's big.
I know, it's got that cool.
There's so many.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try to blind. So Padre.
What?
You want to try that one?
You could bring it. Maybe pop it or something.
You want to try this one?
See, and then you got.
Oh,
Because
hell no.
there's one right there.
Oh, shit.
That might be a big one.
Yeah, wait till Sandra moves and toss it out this way.
I want to just.
I'm gonna go move the truck. I'm gonna make a power here.
There you go.
Oh, there's a
Because
hole in
like
this
I
one.
can see the crystals too clearly. Right there.
Probably not. Lily's find at Dugway Geode Beds.
Put your hand up there so we can see how big it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see you got crystals all the way from here, come down through here, all the way around through here, down there. So we're hoping that's one big geode. But we won't know till we pressure wash it. And Lily found that on her own. I train them well.
There might be more inside. See the form.
Oh, yeah. How cool.
There. Yeah.
So I got a few of our pieces from Dugway Geode Fields, beds, whatever you want to call it. Got them cut. Not all of them were as crystallized as some, but they're still gorgeous inside. We got a lot of purples. And I might be able to cut these a few more times to get better areas open. But right now, this is what we've got. It's one of the bigger ones. And this has some more pockets on the back, but I got to get a bigger saw. And of course, we got these ones that aren't quite formed, but they have a lot of whites and blues. Just beautiful. Here's a little one that not quite formed, but there is some crystals inside there. Kind of a conglomerate. Really neat. And then we got some of these pieces that are solid. And they'll make some beautiful cabs. So hopefully they don't fall apart on me when I'm doing that. And oh yeah, these. Look how beautiful that is. These were down low where we were digging, and they were already broke when we got them out. We got a couple of those. Just purple. Really lots of purple in this stuff. This one was really neat. There's no real formed crystals, but it's just like agatized all the way through. Got the bands, and then on the outside it goes all the way through into the back. Really neat. Here's the other half of that. Same on that one. Just beautiful. Here's another one that we need to soak this one. But it's got a nice little crystal pocket in it. And this one was pretty neat here. This has like a purple black. I gotta finish cutting that. But inside, they're like little black and purple crystals. There's the other half of that. Pretty neat. And then, let's see, what other one did I want to show? This was a good one. Another one that I think I'll probably make a cab out of. Maybe a necklace or something out of that one. Real pretty. And we found a few pieces like this there. They weren't necessarily out of a geode, but real pretty stuff. Then I got one over here that I'm soaking and getting the white stuff out of the crystals. But this is the one my daughter found. This is the monster. About 40-50 pounds. And the whole thing is just encrusted with geode everywhere. Crystals, all purple. There's pockets on the backside too. But there's a couple areas that need to be cut open, and I'm not going to cut them open. I'm going to let my daughter decide if she wants to do that down the road, because this thing is just huge. So this is our monster. Don't let anybody tell you you can't find big ones down there, because they're still there. And then this one has a bunch of big pockets all over it too, but I'm treating that one, trying to loosen the white stuff up. So yeah, we did well. We're looking forward to going back.
I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night that I felt defeated to your eyes. The black boats, the battles being now, we race the tide to forget the feeling for a little while. And I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night.